Ay, 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 ay. Yes, we are back on it again. Of course, with Daniel Trading, Daniel Super Trading, Daniel Tradings. We are back. Another day, another dollar. Oh my God. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, mommy. Let's join in, guys. Let's join in on a fascinating today's live trading. Binary options as usual. Nothing more. Ooh. Some nice banger. Emmanuel is the first. I am the first. Hi, Emmanuel. Emmanuel the first in the queue. Emmanuel is the first on the queue on the list. Emmanuel is the first. Good evening, sir. Well, Samuel, today was my bad day. What happened, Samuel? Talk to me. Tell me, Samuel, what happened? How was your day? What happened today? Emmanuel, my day is fine. How about yours? Good evening. Good afternoon. Hope you're all doing good. Yes, Ngema, thanks for joining. Okay. We are back again with a bar live. Binary options. We're back to the market. We're ready for the kickoff. Well, I'm gonna be doing small trades from 500 USD, but my investment gonna be 80 USD. Fuck! Don't tell me that, bro. Are you fucked up? Someone's like, I blew up my account, but all will be okay as time goes by. Oh, hell no. What happened? What happened, bro? What happened, bro? What happened, bro? Hey, how are you guys? Thanks for joining. Those who are joining, thanks for joining. Let's go. Anyway, we're back again. Another day, another dollar. Let's go about it. Let's see how we can mine. Let's mine some USD or USDT, whatever you call it. I call it USD. So let's mine some stuff today. Okay. Well, I'm gonna be doing some compound trade from 500. My investment gonna be 80 bucks. It's gonna be from 80 bucks, and we're gonna see how we can make it. I've been getting a lot of my questions from the new subscribers. They're telling me they really don't know how to read the candle structures. They don't know how to know. They don't know how to take an entry. They don't know how to spot an entry. And well, I think you guys, I think we just have to make. I don't know. Well, I don't know what should I do for you guys. And I'll be talking this, and I'll be teaching you this every day, and every time I come here, I'll be showing you how to make an entry, and how to spot an entry before entering a trade, and how to confirm a trade before. For those asking about my indicators, that are always at a default. Today we're in the market of old card OTC, which is the Australian dollar versus the Canadian dollar. Not bad, quite good. Anyway, let's join in. Let's dig in. Let's share live. We have just begun, so it's gonna be a long day. It's gonna be some good hours for us together. Anyway, let's see about it. Let me see my markets. Well, I'm not feeling good today. I'm quite low, so I'm quite a bit low. We're gonna start from let's start from 30 seconds. 30 seconds. This was 30 seconds. Okay. That's a double call. 30 seconds. We're in the 30 seconds trend. Our candle structure is 5 seconds, and our time frame is 30 seconds. So I made a double call earlier. Let's see where it goes. Okay, that's a good uptrend. Nothing like a downtrend anytime soon. So that's what a nice one. Thanks. One more. Nice, 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 nice. Let's look for another entry point and see. We are currently in the uptrend, so expecting a level down anytime soon. But let me go with the uptrend. I won't go. Let me go with the uptrend. Let me make one shot, right? One call. Sorry. Watching and learning. Hello, everyone. Yes, sweet Adon. How are you? Thanks for joining in. Thanks for learning. Well, we're back again. We're back on it again. We're back to do what we call mining, serious cash mining. Well, I wasn't quite sure about that call earlier, but it turns out it's not bad. It's not bad. That's not bad. Okay. Well, this is a nice uptrend, and it's staying over the 80s. I'm expecting a reversal anytime soon. This might be the one. Let me make a double shot right there. Just be fine. I'm up and then fine. I want your body tonight, baby, tonight, baby, feel right. We're in 30 seconds time frame. That's what we're doing right now. That's why we're having a long waiting period here. But it all shows good momentum. There's nothing like a pullback, nothing like so right now the friends are really moving at a very good structure. Wow, that's nice. 1K. We began with 500, and we're gonna be doing our compound small trades of $80 investments. Let's continue following this trend downwards. Let me show that again. Nice. Come on. Double shot. Nice, 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 nice. That's a reversal confirmed down in that valley right there. The reversal confirmed there. So you make a double call right there. Made a double call from right there. There was a reversal confirmed. Hope it doesn't. I hope it's not rejected. Come on. Fuck this shit. Come on. Fuck. That's a nice rejection there. So my price is being rejected at the moment. Anyway, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh fuck. I saw that coming. And let me show you again. Let me show you again. Remember? Which candlestick pattern are you using to trade? Because the candlesticks are slow. Well, I'm on the 5 seconds. My candles are 5 seconds candlesticks. Freeman Marcus, what brokerage application you use with that? It's Pocket Option, brother. Pocket Option. And how can I learn the strategy that I use, that you use? Just be attentive and listen to whatever I'm saying. Now, like for example here, if you look at this, what do you see, guys? Here right now the bands are touching, and there's an upper candle, there's a downer candle that is coming outside. So we're remaining with only one candle to give us a very good confirmation, which is that. Though this is a late entry, I can't make that entry. It's a late entry. So let's look for another entry here. Well, that's nice. That's one. Look at this. Look at the same here. Here comes one. Very good. Let me make a double shot right there. This, the red candle, I think you're seeing the red candle came outside the upper bands, and the second candle came inside inside the bands, which is a very signal for a short, guys. For those who are asking, how do I use the Bollinger Bands and how do I spot an entry? I think you've seen how do I spot an entry and how I use the Bollinger Bands. Anyway, when it's 30 seconds, so let's wait for it to cash it out. Come on. Come on. Bullocks. Yes. Sign the contract, baby. Sign the contract. Well, for those who are saying that you're in front of me 30 seconds or 20 seconds, YouTube has a lag of 20 seconds. And some have 20 seconds, some have 10 seconds, some have 5. So it depends where you are right now. Some have 30, like someone here is saying that he has 30. Okay, that's way too big. Though others have smaller differences. But it's all about the YouTube dropping, but we have nothing to do about that. And that was a nice signal up there. I think you've seen the same applies here. The price was coming back upwards, but there was a rejection up there. And there was a very good confirmation candle inside the bands. That's a very good signal for a drop down. So, for those asking about why do I take my entries and where do I take my entry points from, I think you've seen that. I look at my candle structures very well. I get to notice whatever is being done. And once I put a very good confirmation, I have to be fast in making my entry. So, made my entry right there. Nice. Well, today I wasn't feeling good, but I was like, hey, I need to go and see my people. I want to go and see my people. Can you consider trade profit looking back to growth? Okay, well. What am I doing here? Trying to make you care. No, you'll never stay. Trying to change your mind. I do this every time. What am I doing here? And even if it hurts to love. Is G Dot around? G Dot, where are you? I'm looking at this G Dot. Something that G Dot sent me. It's a good structure. It's a good compound cycle table for some people. So I'm trying to see what he's trying to say. Okay. Yes. So, okay, this is a nice idea. I've seen that. Let me come out. I'll chat you up in Telegram when I'm done with this. Let us finish up here. This is a nice idea, G Dot. I've seen it. It's a nice idea. Okay. Nathan is saying, how do you spot an entry? I've been saying that how I spot an entry. Before spotting an entry, I look at my candle structures, I look at my indicators, and once the indicators and my candle structures align up very well, then I'll take my entry point. Okay. So let me look for a good example here. The same, I'll look for a good example here. This would be a very good one, but that would be a late entry. Anyway, we're in 30 seconds, guys. We're in 30 seconds time frame, and candle structures are 5 seconds. So let me see. If you look at this carefully, this is an uptrend. So it's just this is just an uptrend. So let me just take an entry here. This is just an uptrend. Hope it's not late. I only need 10 candles right there. Okay, not even 10 candles. I only need something to go to 6 candles. I only need 6 candles only. Because each candle has 5 seconds. So I only need 6 candles for me to hit up to my goal. Come on. Oh my god. That was sniped out by only 1 second. It was only sniped by only 1 second. So if I made my entry earlier up, once I saw the uptrend, I could be in a very good turn up. But anyway, it's okay. We're here to learn. Let's go. Show me something here. Okay, nice. That was short right there. Well, this was a nice shot it, and it's giving very good vibes here. So nice. Anyway, let's go back to our 15 seconds time frame. Because 30 seconds are quick, but let's go back 15 seconds. Baby. Hate to say it, baby. Mm-hmm. Well, this is a nice uptrend. Come on. Don't short it. Don't short that price. Nice rejection there. Continue short. Continue calling the price. That's a nice rejection there. Let's go. For those who are joining in, thank you for joining in. We're the Daniel Super Trading. Right now we're live. And let's go about it. Let's see how we can mine this. Let's mine some cash. Let's mine some dollars. Okay. Price coming back downwards. Let's see where it goes. Okay, nice rejection there, but let me try to make a call right there. For those who are joining in, thank you for joining. Thank you for coming. We meet again. Yep. We are back again. Right now we're at 1.9, almost hitting 2K. So let's continue moving with this and let's see where we can stop. Let's see how many trades we can do. Let's see how many where we can stop. So let's go, guys. So if you look at my indicator below, you're gonna see that right now we're in the levels of 80, which is the overbought zone. So the levels of 80, well, the market is not that stable right there. But if you look at it very well, it's getting stuck, but again coming back downwards. So whenever it comes back downwards, there is a rejection in the candle structures. So right there is what you call something not stable. Anyway, let me try to find somewhere I can make a very good entry point. I would have made an entry point right there, but nope, that's not the one. Let me make a shot there, because if you look at the trend down, it's coming back downwards. So we make a shot right there. The sniper is at it again. Of course, brother, we are here to snipe all these trades out. Look at them, analyze them carefully, pick out what you feel like it's the best. Why is my trading section in a minute ahead of yours? I don't know why. You should ask yourself that. You're the first person to tell me you're in a minute ahead. Others are seconds. You are minutes. That's crazy, bruv. Anyway, YouTube has a lag of 20 seconds. So we just have to bear with that. I don't know why your lag is in minutes. Okay, that's some good price rejections down there. So if I make my call right there, it won't be bad. Nice. What goes up must come down. Wanna fly. Nice. 2-7. Let's go. Let's continue moving this. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. Let me see.
They say there's astronaut ice-cream, but I think it's a lie. It's hard enough to find.
Someone is saying, "Oh, bonsoir." I don't speak French. And when you tell me which trader up this is a trader, we are in pocket option, brother. We're in pocket option. We're in the pocket option. Jesus interese. What does that mean? Does it mean interesting? Interesting? I don't know. I don't speak French. Thank you.
And they say that interest rates, but I don't believe that either. I don't believe.
Well, this was a nice downtrend, but I missed it. This was a very nice downtrend. If you look at that very well at the top here, you got to see that there was a very good confirmation right here at the top. So we missed all this. This was all something. This was something here. This was something crazy. This was all profits. But anyway, let's look at the bottom very well. You might see an uptrend there. Oh shit! There it is, guys. I mean, like a triple short, triple call right there. Better triple call right there. There was a very good call option down there. Come on, baby. Nice.
If I had to time machine, I'd go back and tell me not to fall for you. Wouldn't even have to think, 'cause I would just know to save myself. If I had to time machine, if I had to time machine, I'd go back and tell me not to fall for you. Wouldn't even have to think, 'cause I would just know to save myself. If I had the time machine, if I had the time machine, I'll go back and tell me not to fall for you. Wouldn't even have to think, 'cause I would just want to save myself. If I had the time machine, I would just go pretend it. But I'd probably just go back to you, 'cause I never know when I'm gonna do. If I had the time machine, I would do some crazy thing. But I'd probably just go back to you, 'cause I never know when I'm gonna do. If I had the time machine, I would do some crazy thing. But I'd probably just go back to you, 'cause I never know when I'm gonna do. If I had the time machine,
Cameron is saying I have the bell on, but I'm still not getting the notifications. Why? What's the big notification whenever Daniel is coming online? We're not getting a notification, bro. These things going bad? What's happening? Okay. No. Now look at this, guys. For those who are asking, how do I read the Bollinger Bands and how do I read the candle structures? Well, if you look at this candle structure very well, the price is moving downwards, and there's a rejection at the bottom, but it was outside the band, the lower bands. But then the second confirmation came inside inside the upper bands, the inside the bands. Are you seeing those? Are you seeing that? And you're having two confirmations here right now. That comes to a very good. That comes to a very good call option, but we missed that because I wanted to show you that. And let's wait for another, Nancy. Let's wait for another. I'm expecting another one anytime soon. Well, from this structure here, this is very, make a double call right there. This is a very good option for a very good call, because the price came, but it was supposed to come out of the bands, but it did come out of the bands. So I think you know. So I think you know what this means. This means for a very good uptrend. Nice. And the song YouTube has been giving me that problem. Okay. Well, have you tried checking with your phone settings? I don't know. Phone or computer settings? I don't know. The song is fire. What's the name? It's just got some Caribbean music. And so if you look at your structures very well, you get to combine them with the bands, then everything is gonna be smooth for you. So that's why I tell you, before you make a trade, at least first look for very good confirmation before you make your trade. For those who are asking, how do I spot an entry? As someone is saying, you say the price was supposed to come out from the band. Where did you identify it? Well, you all know Mr. Ogedi. How are you? Well, the band has what we call three lines. It has what we call the upper bands, the middle bands, and the lower bands. Okay. When you look at those lines very well, there's what we call. Are you seeing that those wicks that are coming outside the bands? That's what we call a price coming outside the band. And if it's moving upwards, and then the price comes outside the band, the second one comes inside the band. Are you seeing that carefully? That's a very good for a short. So I'm trying to explain to you this, but if I made my short earlier, that would be a very good option for a short option there. Well, today I don't have I forgot to get mangoes today, so I'm feeling really bad and I'm bored. So I'm feeling so down, so tired. I forgot to get mangoes today. Feel like I'm not doing good. But anyway, let's move on. What are the periods of the Bollinger Bands? Let me show you that. The period is 5 and the deviation is 1. I think you're seeing that. Okay, nice. There's an upprint coming up somewhere there because I'm seeing candle structures are very okay. That's a nice reduction there. Oh, nope. That wasn't confirmed very well, so I won't make my entry anytime soon. Let's wait for a very good signal to come up. Let's see. For those who are just joining in, we're in the Barry options, pocket options, OTC market. We are in the old card, Australian dollar versus the Canadian dollar, and it's becoming very, very nice, very, very good. For those who have been reading the Bible sticks and Bible sticks candle, I know right now you are warriors. Okay. Whoa, nice. Double shot right there. Nice. Hope I'm not late. Come on. Yup. Nice. Actions. Let's look for another entry. Okay, that's a nice rejection there. So let me make a very good double shot right there. The price was coming back upwards, but it was rejected, and the sellers came in immediately, which was a very good short option. And they were confirmed by the second candle. If you look where I took my entry exactly, that was a very good confirmation that the sellers are coming in straight. So that was a nice entry. Let's look for that. Let's look for that entry position here. Nice. Let's see up here. Okay. The downfall coming up there. I will go right there. Wow, nice. Almost reaching 4K, which is a very nice. Anyway, we had a very good beginning. So far, it's a very good beginning, and the winning streak is really currently high, which is a very nice thing for everyone here. For those who are just joining in, thank you for joining. Let's subscribe, like, and share the stream. Yep. $1 trading, please. Is it 1 baht? Say 1 baht. How are you? Thanks for joining. He's saying $1 trading, please. We shall do that. Let's first collect some profit here. Then we go back and see if we can do a $1 trading to anything like 20K or 40K. Teach me, please. I'm here to teach everyone every day, the same time. Just come in live and we can learn together. What's the time frame I'm using a 15 seconds time frame, which is the S15. The candle structure I have 5 seconds. It's a beautiful show, guys. It's a beautiful day to learn all this. Anyway, a happy Easter to you all. Happy Easter to everyone. How often do you do the $1 challenge? It's not an everyday challenge, but it's only a challenge done to teach and show how we can do it, and show people that actually the $1 challenge has a lot of good morals. It has what we call never give up, keep on moving forward, how to spot the trades, how to make an entry, never make what we call 100% full risk. It's also risky, but we learn something in there, which is a good thing for everyone. So the $1 challenge, we learn a lot in there. And let's continue with this. A nice uptrend. I'm going to continue moving the uptrend here. Someone is here. Can I talk to you on Telegram? Yes, my Telegram is right there. Please send me a message on Telegram. I'm gonna reply to you when I'm back. When I'm done with the trading, I'm gonna talk to you. How can I speak with you? Lisa, is it Lisa Body? Is it Lisa Body? Yes, my Telegram is open. You can open up my Telegram and send me a message on Telegram. We can talk. The trade duration is S15. Yes. What is the duration of each candle? Each candle, yes, very good question. Each candle is 5 seconds. The duration of the channel is 5 seconds. Can I pay you for one-on-one training? Well, we have what we call everyone training here, and it's free. So why would you pay for me a one-on-one? Why would you be a one-on-one training, Lisa? Lisa Body? Why would you pay a one-on-one training when we're having what we call a free learning session every day, which is live? All you have to do is just join in live and learn the structures. So this is free, nothing to pay here. We have learning for free. Come on. Community service, eh? Oh, okay. Oh, well, the old card is becoming messy. Anyway, let's try to look for another pair. Let me look for another pair. Let me see which other pair should I get. Let me get a Brent oil. Brent oil OTC will do good. So Brent oil OTC will do good. What time do you come online? Well, in my time it's 5 p.m., but I don't know what time is used. So the only way to do that is hit the notification button whenever I come online. YouTube will tell you that I'm online. So that's the only way that you can know that I'm online. But I'm always at 5 p.m. That's when I'm online. That's when I'm live, and it's gonna be every day. No missing sessions. Mm, 4K. Anyway, guys, those who are joining in, let's make it. We wanna make it before we go for Easter Sunday. Let's make it to 2K, guys. I'm only seeing 1.59K subs. I'm not feeling good about that. What happened? Someone is saying, what's... Oh, I missed this question. Someone is saying, can you do 5 minutes trades? Hell no. Try not to be the liquidity. Yep. Sorry, your time zone, so we can calculate the 5 p.m. My time zone UTC -5. UTC -5, that's my time zone. I don't know which ones are you. Someone is just coming in and saying, can you cash out? You have just logged in and you're saying, can you cash out, brother? What's up with you? We are still trading. We are still having a long way. Why would I cash out now? Let me make this one 5. Oh. Welcome. I don't know that name. That's a hard name. How are you from? That's Houston. That's Houston, Texas. Someone is saying -5 is your time zone. Yes, my time zone is UTC -5. I don't know what's yours. What's your time zone? Regan is saying, I thought you were hiding from the market, bro. No, 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 no. No, I wasn't hiding from the market. I was just simply showing these guys how to read the downer indicator. I wasn't hiding from the market. Okay. Well, someone is saying, boss, teach me. I'm almost homeless because I major losses and but I feel like I don't know anything anymore. Come feels frustrated. Anyway, what I can tell you about trading is that we always dealing losses. So the best advice I can give you here, please, is that do not risk money that you cannot afford to lose. Okay, do not risk money that you cannot afford to lose. Once you're seeing that you're having what we call a $10 last in your wallet, don't put that in trading. Because hey, what do you know? Trading is all about 50. It's a 50-50 chance. Okay, if you know something, it might be 60 or 40%, but trading is not your way back. It's not a way whereby you can come and then you make it all in one day. So please don't be obsessed with that. Don't be greedy in trading. Just be patient and do not risk what you cannot afford to lose. So if you're there and you're almost homeless, the advice I can give you is look for a very very good way and a very good way to make it back to your legs up. Then you can come back to trading when you at least you have something up for yourself. But if you're coming into trading because you think it's gonna be a self change for your life, then that's the big trap. That's the big trap in trading. You end up losing everything without gaining anything because you are trying to be greedy and you're trying to be earning fast, which is a bad thing, you know. So don't do that, okay? I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed that when I open the same instrument you're trading, the chart is not the same. I don't know. What's your target profit? My target profit right now is not yet determined, but let's see where we can go. My target profit is not yet determined right now, but let's see where we can go. So you're determined because I'm taking it slow. I don't want to rush it up. Okay. The sellers are becoming stronger right here, but also the buyers are coming in very strong. So let's wait for a very good option here. Phoenix is saying markets are closed. Well, Phoenix, I have nothing to tell you. Didn't say goodbye to his kid. Oh, he's why. He'll be back in a minute. Nice. I was scared I'm gonna lose that because I made an entry whereby. Okay. Anyway, let's continue moving. This I was scared about that. I thought I'm gonna lose that. Oh shit. Anyway, above the levels of 80. In the levels of 80, which is the overbought section right now, and we're still in the uptrend. Let's wait for a very good indication of a reverse. That shows that the price is still moving upwards. If you look at this, the price was trying to come back downwards, but being fought off and they're still moving upwards. So let's wait for. Oh fuck! I messed it up there. I thought we were gonna be dropping down, but I rushed in. That was a very bad rush. That was a very bad rush. Fuck. What I made earlier is being lost. And let's try to look for another entry. The uptrend is taking over everything. How do you feel when you discovered your cracked the secret, and what was your first cash out? What was your first cash out experience like? Motivate us. Well, my first cash out was crazy, but it wasn't that much. It was 2K. It was only 2K. Because I was in a disbelief. That was my first cash out. I was in 2K. I withdrew 2K, and everything was. I saw everything clear. I had rent due. Bills were over my neck. I got 2K. I paid bills. I was left with only $100. I had to go back into the market with $100. $100, almost lost it to $20. $20. I played it again to was 500. 500. I withdrew 400. I left 100 again. I did 100 to 800. I withdrew, was it 400? I left 500. I did 500 to 3.5K. I withdrew 2.5K. I left there the balance. I went again to 5 trades. I did to almost 10K, and I knew I've blown. I knew I have made it. The moment I made it to 10K, I was like, I'm done. All my dreams are coming true. So that's a big that's a very big Ooh, guys, do you hear me? I'm sorry about that. My mic got ejected. I think I stepped on something and my microphone got ejected, so I had to reboot it again. So I'm sorry about that, guys. Do you hear me right now? Do you hear me now? Do you hear me now? Anyway, I had an emotional story behind that. That made me think about my life and how I was going. Well, didn't go well for me at the beginning, but that's it, guys. So please, if you're down there and you feel like you're down and you feel like things are not moving upside, please just the only thing I can tell you right now is do not give up. Okay? Don't give up. Don't give up. That's the only thing I can tell you right now. Don't give up because I never gave up. I never gave up. Everything was moving on, so I never give up. I still moved on. I still moved forward until it came out. Because whenever I could make more than what I invested, that could give me a very good story that I'm gonna be good in future. So I had to go and I had to go. And I remember the first day I was very profitable. I went out to the streets, and you guys, you believe I was scammed on the streets. I went to the streets. Uh, there's a watch I bought. Let me see if I can get it from my cupboard. Hold on, guys. Let me see. Yes, here it is. I was scammed by this watch. Let me show you. Let me switch on my camera and show you guys. The first time I got some small profits. I was really happy. I wanted to buy something for myself. So I went to the streets, look for something. By that time I was in Florida. By that time I was staying in Florida. So I went to the streets, buy a watch, and apparently I was scammed. But I had to keep it because that was my first gift, buy for myself. First thing that I bought for myself, and it was a scam. But anyway, that's life. That's life. That's how we learn. Without a pullback, without a fail, you won't be able to learn. So we only learn, and we are men. Remember, we are men. We learn in different ways.
Catch the vibe from the hardest hits to the deepest cuts. This is DJ Alaki, the number one party DJ.
See this? This was my first watch. It was a good watch. It's a sports Casio watch. It was a sports Casio watch, but I was scammed. Apparently, it turned out to be a fake. But it was my first gift that I bought for myself. It was the first thing that I bought for myself when I was profitable. So I kept it because it has a big story, and I still keep it. I still keep it in its box. I still keep it safe because I know whenever I look at this, it sends me back to the past. Sends me back. Someone is saying, "I told you to sell. I told you to sell, bro. Calm down. We can make this back. This is the market. We can make this back. Calm down." And that ain't a sell. That's a very big buy. Anyway, that's how you're supposed to do it. So guys, the story there, the story there, the moral of the story is never give up and always be patient. Never give up, be patient, and remember to be disciplined, and you will make it out. Anyway, let's continue with our trades. Let me increase my price to 250. a very good shot, but it's not confirmed. So let's wait for a very good position here so that we can shot it very well. Let's wait and see. How long ago was this? That was 3 years ago. That was 3 years ago. We should right there. That was 3 years ago. 3 years ago. That's what 3 years ago. But I learned from that day. I learned a lot actually, and I'm still learning. Apparently, we are traders. We never back down. We learn every day. We learn something new every day, and we learn a new strategy, a new way forward every day. Now, this is a downtrend, guys. If you look at it, there's nothing like a pullback, so I'm gonna continue shorting this down. This is a very good downtrend, so I'm gonna continue showing it down. Let me show it right there. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Nice, almost. Nice, nice. Let's go. Let's continue with this. For those who are joining, how are you? Thank you for joining. Please subscribe and Reagan is saying, bro, let me ask you something big from you, Uganda. What do you know by the word Rolex? Rolex is a watch. Rolex is a watch. Well, to buy a watch here in the States, you can get a watch at the street or first marketplace. You can get a watch from the marketplace. But the official store of Rolex, you have to have what we call a credit line of almost 30 grand to get for yourself a Rolex in an official shop of Rolex. But you can get it at a marketplace. You can get a Rolex at a marketplace. Come on, this was a nice shot. Let me show data. Double shot. Come on. Yep, nice. Nice. Let's see. If you look at that carefully, okay, price is touching downwards. Oh, it's coming back upwards. Hold on. Very good sign. Call right there. Hope I've got a very good entry. Come on. It's coming back downwards. Oh, fuck. Shit. Dup. Brent oil is becoming crazy right now, and it's freaking me out. But let's look for a perfect way to enter this trade. You see Omega price coming back outwards. Rejection right there. That was short. Nice. That was short. Let's continue with this. We're gonna stop at around 8K so that we can do something. Let me try to look for another pair and see. Let me see. Let me try out silver. Silver the same. Let me try out gold and see. Gold not bad. Let's go with gold. That was short right there. Come on. Price coming back downwards. Oh my god, that's a very big rejection right there. Come on. Nice. Okay, price coming back upwards. Let's wait and see. A good confirmation right there. Next confirmation, make a call option right there. That's a very good confirmation there. This was a very good confirmation here. Are you seeing that? Price was coming upwards, and we had a third candle inside the bands. Goes on with the fourth and fifth inside the bands. So that's a very good call option right there. So the moral here, you lose it, you make it. You lose it, you make it. Why you lose and continue? So you lose it, you make it. So that was short there. Come on. Come on. Turn it down. Come on, yes, yes, yes. Come on, yes. Oh, fuck. It was 1 second out. 1 second out, guys. Come on. Fuck. It was only 1 second out, guys. Anyway, let's look for another position and see. Okay, this might be the one because I'm seeing a rejection down here, and this might be a reversal anytime soon. So let's wait and see. Let's look for a confirmation right here. There might be a confirmation right here on the ground. Okay, that's 1, 2, double call. Double call. Yes, it's coming up. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. For those who are joining in, please subscribe, like the live. Let's subscribe. We are at 1.6 right now. We are trying to find out if we can make 2K before we end that on Easter Sunday. And a happy Easter to everyone. Wishing you the best of all. Happy weekend. Today was a good Friday, and it wasn't a bad day. It was a good day, not that bad. And this is a nice downtrend. I'll show it right there. Hope you enjoy your Easter with your family, your friends. So please, don't be home alone. Move around. Have some fun. It's all about you. Okay, nice rejection up there. So I will make my shot right there. Make my shot right there. Come on, it's coming back upwards. Why like this? Why is it like this? Yes. Oh, that's a good save. That's a very good save. Oh my god, I was already out. That was a good save. Nice. Shit. Regan says their Rolex is an edible. It's a combination of, it's an omelette. Okay. Wow. So come we enjoy the Rolex in Uganda this Easter. Okay. Let me search it up and see how we can look. Let me search it up and see how it looks like. I'm gonna search it out and see how it looks like. Then we also have a Rolex and it's a watch. Though most of them are fakes, dupes and scams. But we just get them and that was shot right there. Cameron is like, bro, this is the first time I've seen you worried. Well, you haven't seen me worried. I'm always worried. I'm doing the challenges. Whenever I'm doing the challenges, I'm always worried because it's 100% and it's crazy. So that's when I'm always worried. Here, I can be worried, but not that hard. Again and again and again. Yep, baby. Again and again and again. Let's continue going with this. Another dollar, another dollar, another dollar. Let's turn it up. That was cool right there. Oh, have you considered doing the donation trading already? Nope, I haven't considered that because I'm trying to find the best way to trade for everyone right now. I'm having a lot of people in my chat sections and in my Telegram saying that they want me to trade for them, but I'm still finding the best way to do that. I want to see if I can find the best software, the best way, and because I can't trade for everyone in all the sessions. I want to trade for, if I'm trading for people, I want to trade that in a very good time whereby everyone is watching live. Okay, so let me find out the best system I can use. Then I'll be telling it up. I'll be posting in my Telegram channel updates soon. Okay. Very good downtrend here, so I'll make a double shot there. What platform are you using? I'm using a pocket option platform. It's a pocket option. Sometimes I call it the pocket money. Make a double shot there. Still a downtrend and it's still moving downwards. Nothing like a signal that it's coming back upwards, which is a very good sign. So I'll continue going with the downtrend. Come on. Almost clicking that 10k. So almost clicking that 10k goal. Okay, I thought that was going to be a very good, but it's still a sell. So let me make one. Let me make one because I'm not certain. I've only made one entry because I'm not that certain about this. Let's see where it goes. Do you have a particular time of day of trading and what conditions you consider before setting it out to trade? Well, it's the OTC market. Our OTC market is only varied whereby it's always online and it's always open for the trading. So whenever you come online to trade the OTC market, you find the same. But for me, before I come out to trade, I make sure that everything of mine is set. I make sure that my music is around, my drinks are around, and I make sure that I'm really okay. Though today I came into the trade section without, I wasn't that okay today, but I was like, hey, I need to come and trade with you people, you know. So with the OTC market, it's always open, and my print candles before you chat does trust me. Well, YouTube has a lag of 20 seconds. It was a lag of 20 seconds. I think by the time you see my early trade, I saw it goes out for 20 seconds. So YouTube has a lag of 20 seconds, and I have nothing to do about that. Wow, nice. Make a double call. $10K guys, we're 10K. Woo! $10K guys, we have reached a 10K maximum. So let's get this out. How much did you start with? I started with 500 USD, and our investment was 80. So we came in increasing from 80, 100, 250 till we made it up to 10K. So I came. I was trading while protecting my capital, and the moment I knew that my capital is safe, it came out very well. Okay. And we're gonna do what we call we're gonna do from 350. We're gonna do full risk from 350. We see at that time we saw that with only 6 to 7 trades you can make almost 30K with this. So we're gonna try that again and see how far. Now see how many times we are doing this. So 350 USD to almost like, let's say like 20K. Let's do 20K or 25. Then we stop there, guys. So let's lock in, guys. Let's lock in. 350, 30K, 25. Let's see where we go. So let's lock in. Let's lock in because it's gonna be aggressive. It's gonna be mad. Full risk, 100%. It's gonna be really aggressive and it's gonna be really mad. So guys, let's lock this in. Super Bowl. Let's lock in, guys. Let's lock in, guys. Let's lock in. Okay. No more games here. No more games. Perspective. Precision. Fast. No risk, no Ferrari. That's a nice song. That's a very good. That's a nice introduction. Okay. Well, if you look at this very well, that might be an uptrend. So let me make a call right there. Oh my god, this is a downtrend. Fuck. I made the wrong call. Come on. Bounce it back. Ooh. First loss. We go again. That's our first loss. That's our first loss. Let's try again. 350. Cash out. That's our first loss. Let's go again. No going home, guys. No going home. Let's go again. 100% full risk. Full mode, full risk, full margin. Let's crash it down. Okay, let's read this again. Let's read carefully. Let's read this. Let's look at this carefully. If you look at this, that's a very good signal down there. That's gonna be a very good pullback there. That's a reversal, and confirmed by this candle. So I'll make my call right there. Okay. Hang back and wait. Let's hang back. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes, come on. Continue. Yep. Fast. That's our first trade. Dawit, second trade. We go again. 100%. Crazy. Okay, downtrend coming up. Let me make my shot right there. Oh, this downtrend has been rejected. The price is being rejected. That was a very good downtrend, but I made it earlier because the price was rejected. If you look at this carefully, that was a very good rejection there, and my price is rejected. So second fucking loss. No backing down. So far we have lost 700. So far we have lost 700 so far, but we made almost 10K. 700 at 10K. That's work. Let's go again. So far we have lost 700, but we shall go again. We are not going back home. So let's go again, guys. Let's go again. Let's go again. Gold OTC is playing games. We are playing games too. We are gonna fight. We are going to fight because this is a risk mode, a game for only lions and only winners. Okay, now look at this. Nice. Oh, come on, fuck. I was supposed to make my price 350. Anyway, let's go. Let's wait for another one. Let's look for another one. Come on. Mode of risk takers. Yeah, we are in the risk takers here. We are risk takers. We are risking. Let me show that down. We are risking it all right now. We are only riskers here. For those who are joining in, we are risking full risk mode 350 to 30k. We're gonna do it until we finish it, and no matter how many times we lose it all, we are gonna make it until we make it to the last limit. Okay, so we are only lions and we're only men. Please don't put the whole 350. Please go for 100 and trade. This guy is scared. Someone tell this guy that we have ever done this and we can do this again. We have to believe in ourselves. Why don't you believe in yourself? So believe in yourself, brother. Always believe in yourself. You can make this. Let's go. This was a very good downtrend, but Amlet, I see we're already below the oversold, which is the levels of 20. If you look at the indicators down there below, right now we're in the levels of oversold. So we can flip this anytime soon. Gold is closed. We are in the gold OTC. I believe you can read the word OTC. Okay, I'm expecting a very good reversal down here. If you look at that candle, so I'll make it right there. We do it daily. Let's flip. Yeah, man, Samuel. Tell him, guy. Tell him. We do this daily on a flip. And we're going to flip this. Easy. That was a very good price gap. And that shows that there's a price change, a very big price change. Okay. So, I think you've seen that. Someone is saying, brother, can I trade that with AI? I don't know, but you can. You can try trading with AI. Let's start with this. This is going to be our third trade. This is going to be our third trade. Let's flip this. It's going to be our third trade. Show me something. Let me see. Okay, that's a nice move there. Let me show it right there. So it's a very nice move. Nice. 2K. Let's go. That was that. One. Look at this. This is a very good. Ooh, that's a strong buy. Oh, nope. Nice. So let me show it right there. Hope it was a nice entry. Come on. Come on. Continue, baby. Continue. Continue dropping it down. Come on. Oh. Ah. Ah. Okay. Let's double this. That was a close call. That was a close call, guys. That was a close call. Let's double this. Ouch. 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 Oh, someone is saying, brother, what software is this? A pocket option? Loud, nice words. Yes. Okay, pocket bro. Thank you. AI, no, it's not AI. How do I get the bot? Which are you using? I'm not using bots. This is a self-trading, brother. I'm not using bots. I'm self-trading. Okay, if you look at this, look at this carefully. Still an uptrend. To make my call right there. Come on. Ooh, bro, this is intense. Guys, this is intense. I deserve a drink right now. Oh my god, this is intense. This is intense. Anyway, let's double this. It's gonna be our fifth trade. So let's double this. We win this, gonna be a 15k. Oh my god. Crazy. Shit. Oh my god, I'm really sweating right now, guys. And it's oh shit. Anyway, let's go for this. Price is still moving upwards. So we make a call right there. Come on, what have I done? Come on. Fuck. Thank you guys for the positive energy. Thank you guys for the positive energy. Anyway, let me try to change my pair because gold, I've swallowed 4 times in gold. Let me go back to Brent oil. Gold is really volatile, so I've so far lost 4 times. I've lost so far 4 times in gold, and that wasn't good. So I have to change my pair. Let me see Brent oil. Let me try to see how the odd card is not bad, so I think I'll go for the odd cards. The odd card is not bad. Let me go for the odd card. We are back at 8K. For the last time I played this 8K, I lost it. I was in a bullshit pair. It became volatile and fucked me up. But anyway, let's go for it. 2 fucking trades remaining. So guys, let me first concentrate here. Woo! I'm back, baby. I'm back, baby. I'm back. Let's do that again. Let's double that. We close it. I'm back. Bullseye. Bullseye. Oh shit. Anyway, let's double this. Let's double this. Let's don't get excited. Don't get excited, guys. Don't get excited, guys. Don't get excited. We having one more trade. One more trade, guys. Don't get excited. Don't get excited. Don't get excited. Hold on. One more trade. Let's wait for the best position here right now before you take your trade, because we want to make it up to 30K. Anyway, let's try to relax, calm down, guys. I know this was a long way. It was a long run. Almost rain mud. So I'm gonna look for the best position here. Then we enter this trade in a very careful way. In a very careful manner, we enter into this trade. Interesting. I'm about 30 seconds ahead of it. It plays out on the channel has already played out under 30 seconds before mine. Everyone has his own time difference, and I don't know from you. Cameron, thank you, Cameron. Oh, Cameron, you're still watching. I thought you already signed out. Anyway, thank you for staying along. Cheers to you. For those who are just joining in right now, we have had a long way with this from 350. We have been playing 100%, and right now we are having 16K in our investment bucket. So we are trying to double this and hit the 30K pole. We're gonna double this one, hit the 30K pole. So let's wait. Let's wait for a very good entry. Let's wait for a very good entry. We make it in. Oh yes, bro. This is where I'm going to be every day. Thank you, Cameron Love. Yes, we're gonna be here every day. We're gonna be streaming every day with love, learning, seeing, and every day. See how the trades are moving, predict the markets like a pro. Okay, this might be the one, but it's not giving me a very good confirmation here. This might be the one. If I make my shot right there. Yup, baby. Yes. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Woo! I lost it. I felt bad. I almost gave up, but I kept on pushing. See. Big Mac, baby. Oh. Obama should be back to the States and get one more term, but these guys have what we call a 3-year term, and it's chosen by the Congress, which is kind of weird. Anyway, that was a very good win, and that was a very good win. I don't know. Should we double this? Should we double it? See if we can make it to 50. Because if I double this, it's gonna be 50k. See if we double this, it's gonna be 50k. So should we double this or should we just stop it right here? Should we double this, guys? I don't know. People have said I should cash out. Let me cash out, guys. People said let me cash this out. Okay. I'm gonna cash this out. Ooh, guys are crazy happy here in the chat section, guys. Thank you, guys. Well, that was a very good victory. That was a very good victory, guys. It was a very good victory, but it was a long way. We lost it. Remember, guys, we lost it almost like 4 times. We lost it almost like 4 times. We almost reached our goal. We lost it again, and anyway, we made it back again, which was a good thing. So right now I'm gonna be doing small trades. That was a very. I can't go back to that. I can't go back to that. I'm seeing people do it again with 200. I can't go back to that. That was so stressing. At least I'd rather do that once in a day. That was so stressing. I can't do that again. It was so stressing. I'll do that maybe again tomorrow. Today, I can't do that again. It was so fucking stressing. Bro, you look stressed. Yes, of course, bro. This is so intense. You end up having a heart attack, girl. And guy, remember I have to book my therapy like tomorrow, so I have to go see my therapist tomorrow. I can't do this again. But the moment I do this again and I get my attacks here. So let's do 50-50. We see how we can grow this and then say bye-bye. We end the stream and we meet again tomorrow. Right? So let's do 50-50. We'll continue. I will show that. I love your emotional control, bro. Thank you, gaming. Thank you. Just know it's crazy. It's crazy. I'm almost getting the stress balls. They help a lot. So I won't do that again. I only do that once in a day because it's so stressing. And you might end up crashing yourself up. For those how do you use the RSI? Well, I don't use the RSI. I don't use the RSI. I use the oscillator, which is a 1333. Can I still get the candlestick PDF, please? Yes, send me a message in Telegram. Send me a message in Telegram. I'll forward it to you. Let's go again. No, I can't go that again. That was freaking stressful. 50-50 is still stressful, bro. No, I feel like 50-50 is a little bit enough. And it's still okay. The 50-50 is still okay. So let me go with the 50-50. It's still okay. It's not that bad as the one of that. Anyway, I told you guys, if you see a very good rejection like that one, what do you do? When you see a very good rejection like that, just shut it down. For those who have been joining the Telegram channel, thank you. Please, let's continue joining the Telegram channel. I'll be dropping to you updates soon in that channel, and I'm going to be dropping up good news in the channel anytime soon. So please continue joining the channel. And for those having messages to send me in a Telegram, tap me up. The links are right there. Send me a message in Telegram, Daniel Super Trader. That's my DM. And the channel is Super Trading Daniel. Okay? Then for those who want to trade with me, pocket option. We are in the pocket option. What's your confirmation for entries? My confirmation for entries, I look at the bands, I look at the candles, I look at the indicators. That all gives me a confirmation for my candles. So with this was a downtrend, and nothing gave me as an uptrend anytime. So I just have to wait with a downtrend. Okay. So if you look at this now, if you look at the bottom here, this is a very good buy coming in, but it didn't come out of. If it came out of the upper bands, that would be a very good indication that the price is making a very good turn, but it didn't come out of the turn of the bands. So let's wait for another candle to come in. Still a downtrend, so let me make another shot right there. Bro, please tell indicator settings. My indicator settings are default. That's the oscillator is a default 1433. Then moving average is SMA. Then my Bollinger Bands are also a default, which is a period of 5 and the deviation of 1. Let's continue moving with this. Yes, let's ban the chat section, guys. Let's ban the chat section. Remember Mr. Daniel of High Heel Cars. Yes, the Land Cruisers. I remember the Land Cruisers. They are high heel cars. Let's ban the chat section, guys. Let's ban the chat section. Let's ban it up. Please, guys, don't forget to subscribe. We want to make it to 20K before we reach Easter Sunday. So please don't forget to subscribe, share, like the stream. Okay? Let's. Oh my God, the chat section is on fire. We are burning. The chat section is on fire. Yes. Do you know what, Daniel? You are charity to us. Thank you, Regan. Thank you, Regan. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the stream. That's nice. Please, what is your time zone, sir? My time zone is -5. Oh my God, I lost that. It's okay. Let's try to look at this. Look at that code. Well, if you look at this carefully, guys, when I told you this came out, but came out slightly, and the second was inside the band, so I made my call from right there, which was a good, very good call. What pair? Yes, bro, you are a real one. Thank you, Cameroon. Thank you. You are a real one too. Yeah, boo. Let me close it to 1K. In a downtrend. Okay, hold on. Oh my God, yes. That was short. That was short. Let me make another double shot right there because this is a very good downtrend, and I'm not seeing anything like a pullback anytime soon. So let's drop it. Nice one. 2. 700. Let me get 1K. I close it. I close it up. Someone is asking, are you trading on your own? Well, if you have been here since the beginning, you would have known that these trades are really crazy, and we trade on our own. We don't use bots here. Though, if you want to use a bot, it's there in my description. You can try using it up. We trade on our own here, and the platform we are trading on is called Pocket Option, guys. Our time frame is 15 seconds. Our candle structures are 5 seconds, and the market is Australian dollar versus a Canadian dollar OTC. It was a really good stream today. Thank you. So let me try to make it up to 1K. I sign out. I go get some rest. Then I go reply to everyone who has sent me a message in Telegram. I'll be replying to you when I'm done here anytime soon. Don't worry. Oh, nice. 1K. Guys, I should stop here. I should say bye-bye. Happy Easter. Happy weekends. Happy holidays. I should stop it right here, guys. Let me say bye-bye. Let's meet up again tomorrow. We shall be live with Daniel Trading again. Daniel Trading, Super Trading. So please, let me sign out. Let me end it here and say bye-bye. Thank you for joining the stream. Thank you for loving. Thank you for sharing out your ideas and your questions. Have a good evening. Have a good afternoon. Have a good night. Have a good morning. I don't know what time where you are, so I'll tell you everything. Anyway, forever, let's mine together. We shall be making dollars every day together. So guys, let me say bye-bye. Let's meet again tomorrow. We shall learn again tomorrow. For those asking questions, we learn every day. We learn every day with the binary trading. We'll be learning every day. And we do it every day. So let's meet up again tomorrow. Bye-bye.